Good morning, all, for yet another class. I hope you all, there is feedback. Okay. So I hope most of you were there yesterday. If not, you had the chance to look at the video recordings. That is what I'll expect from now onwards. You have to be there in the class or at least see the video recordings. And good morning, Akshata.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for coming. I didn't see you, so I was thinking very scared after the first class. I'm not like that all the days. It was just once in a while I need to be like that, but I'm not like that all the time. So don't worry. So I was just telling this. Okay. By the way, I record the classes. So, um, but the thing is, you won't appear in the videos. Only I and the people who speak will appear. Okay. I need to get the consent from you people. I've forgotten to send an email later on. If you remind me, I'll send an email to which all of you should reply and say you're okay to be recorded. I need that one. Okay. And so, yeah, I was saying you should all be present in the class or at least see the video recording and come because I'll expect you to know what I've said in the previous class. And if you don't know, you will struggle. If you struggle, you'll make other people's life also a bit hell. So, now, if not for your own self, make sure that you attend the classes and do what's required for the other people. Yeah, because I'll make sure that you do it in the class. So then other people can't, proceed. So make sure that when you're not doing it, it's not only you, but other people are also getting affected. Now, coming to, have you seen the assignment that I've given? Um, all of you are subscribed to this channel called Java something, right? Java Core Java. Yeah, Java Tech Plus. Okay. Uh, so I've put a couple of things there. I need you to start looking at one of them. I already said do this before coming to the class. Let's see how many of you have done it. So I expect you to see that and as well as the notes, yeah, before coming, because I'll try to put some notes in the class. It's always good to know what I'm going to teach beforehand so that your mind is prepared for that stuff. So I expect you to see the class notes before you come. And class notes you can find. Let me share the screen. Okay. 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 Now, Java, core Java, that's our repository, right? So there, the first one is my class notes. First link on that page, my class notes. Go to the bottom. So that's a class notes for today because today is the 18th. So I want you to click on the 18th first to go to this issue, and I won't return anything in this. Okay, that's strange. So you need to create attendance and assignment folders. Okay, based on what I have done. That's my commit. So sorry, this is my commit. That's it. Okay, so this is what I have done. I want you all to do the same thing. Okay? Start now. So first of all, Akshata, I need your GitHub account if you have one.
Yes, sir. I have created yesterday.
Okay, have you given the, give me the ID. You can write it in
Okay,
the
sir.
chat here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Don't worry if it doesn't make sense to you. Gradually, I'll teach you everything. Were you there in yesterday evening's class, Akshata? You were
No,
not there.
sir. No, sir. I didn't see, sir.
You didn't get the invite. Okay, we have a class in the evening. I'll check if you got the invite or not. Try to attend as many classes as you can because you're in the. You just started, right? Yesterday we, yeah, we did some basic stuff as well.
Yes.
Can you just walk us through how to create this attendance and things?
Yes. I will do that. I will do that. The reason I'm not starting right away is because I expect the other people to be able to do it. So once they do it, I'll show you. Yeah, we will do that. Don't worry. Can you give me your ID on the chat, Akshata? In the meantime, so you got access, right, Amal? So uh,
Access
can
is
can you see the?
to the GitHub one?
You can, I've given you access, right? Can
Yes,
you go
yes.
here? Yeah. So though there, I these are like normal folders. Okay.
Okay.
I want you to just go and see what all these things contain, like that. Just spend some time to get a sense of what each folder contains. You see that at the top level, there's something called common assignment, attendance, members, Bikram Power, right? Only mine is outside, and everybody else has a folder under the members. Okay, like
Hmm.
Anvesh and all this. Yeah. So I will get you also to create these folders. Okay, you need to create a folder with your first name, dot surname, dot 2210, and within that you have a very similar structure. This fellow hasn't done anything. Let's look at yeah, Alba should have it. Code pages. No, it's not. Let us look at Ada. Ada should be fine. Yeah. So it needs to have. Oh wow, really good. She's already done it. So you need to have code pages and then README. Yeah, all that. So I will make you do that slowly. All the newcomers, because you two are there and some will join today. So all of you together will have a class sometime, maybe Monday, where
Okay.
I'll go through everything so that you are all on the same page. For now, just attend the classes just to get a sense of what we're doing, how we're doing. Right? Akshata, okay, thank you. So I'm going to add Akshata to our organization. So I need to go to RMQ. Under that, there are people. So I had to invite the members. I'll invite you, Akshata. You need to. You will now get a. Okay, as a member. So you want to be in Java Core. You want to be in Spring Boot, and you will also want to be in all hands. I've invited you now. If you go to your profile, you'll see your organizations. Okay, there you'll see a blue dot. I think if you click that, it'll ask you to join. Wow, this is what I like to see. This is how things have to be. See how it's coming. Alba, Ada, Stelina, Sahil. Yeah, that's Sayanti. Really good, Sayanti. Nice.
So how do you know now you send this invite for these three, right? So when we accept it, how do we know that we are accepted for three different things? Like that.
If you go to your organizations, the same thing. You say your name, go to organizations, you will probably find something like that. And then
Hmm.
when you go to RUMQ, you'll be seeing only those that you have. Say, I've got all this, right? Not everybody will see this. You'll only see those three that I've given access to. Yeah? So if you basically go to GitHub/RUMQ, you should see this, but fewer repositories.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, and then Akshata, you also do the same thing. Go to core Java, and just get a sense of how everything is. These two are brand new. I've just created today, but important things are this one. That's mine, and then under members, there's one folder for each person. Okay? So I'm assuming for both of you, Git, you're completely new to Git, right?
Yeah.
Amal
Completely.
and
Yeah.
Akshata. Yeah, yeah. But I need to know
Yes.
because then I'll know how to teach. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Just one thing.
Give me.
You spoke of
Yes.
all hands. In my organization, all hands is not there.
It's not there, is it? Okay,
Yeah.
the all hands it's still being done. I'm not giving it to everybody yet.
Okay.
So even these people are not there in all hands.
Okay. Right.
It has a different purpose. For now, you only need this one and Java Spring Boot. Those are the two things that you need.
Yeah.
These two that you need. Yeah, that should be all right. Okay, yeah. As I was saying, with me, you will all gain if you tell me right away if you don't know something, because I have mechanisms to know what you exactly know. So if you tell upfront, then I will know how to start explaining to you. I'll start from absolute basics if you want, but I need to know exactly. So right from the beginning, you tell me I don't know that, and then and all the basics that you anybody doesn't know, I can teach in a few hours. So even if you don't know anything, you can tell me. Just a few hours, I'll tell you everything. Yeah, in a way that you'll never forget. So don't worry about that.
Yeah. So I'm learning from scratch.
Yeah, that's what I
Zero.
need to know. So
Okay.
then, yeah, and you will be my star student in a few months' time. I'll tell everybody Amal came with knowing nothing. Now see, Amal is a programmer. So that's what I want to say. Because a lot of people have misconceptions about programming, and the people who have the most misconceptions are the teachers who teach computer science in schools. Because of that, almost all students develop a very incorrect idea of computer science, programming, everything, especially in the Western countries. Students don't take the class because they're so afraid, because the way they are taught. But there's nothing more fun than doing programming. If you love programming, then you never have to work in your life and just play every day and get paid. Okay, so a lot of people have done it. Now I'll explain what it is. Okay, if I go to my attendance, we'll go to attendance, right? So there, what I've done, I've created a text file with my name .attendance.text. There, I'll put the day, blank, and morning and present. This is a way to say I was present on that day. Okay, and if I was not present, maybe at a later. Should I increase the font size? Okay, so if I was present on the morning class, I'll say present like that. If I was not present, but if I watch the recording, I will put like that. If I watch the recording again, I'll put the same line again, so twice. And then in evening class, if I was present, I will do that. And if I saw the evening class and as a recording, I'll do that. Everybody will be updating this daily. Okay, so that's the thing. Let me see how everybody has done it. So okay, that's empty. Rahul Pawar is empty. Oh, Rahul, good. Nice to see your name. Sahil Ray, good. See, I expected him to do it and he's done it. So today, morning, he's present. So that's what I need. So all of you who have done it, please add your attendance there. Stelina also has not done it. And then I, of course, have done it. So yeah, all of you have done it. Can please, this is who is this? Assignment 18. Okay. Sayanti. Okay. Sayanti needs to be your name, sayanti.aruran.attendance.text. And see, this is the example basically. Sahil Rahul. That's really nice. Sahil can actually teach me a lot of things. Okay, now, so that's the first assignment. Now, both you and Amal, have you got access to this now?
Yes.
Akshata and Amal, yeah.
Yeah.
Go to this. Go to this repository. Go to the click here, and you're here. Are you both there, Amal and Akshata? Now,
Yes, sir.
press dot. If you press dot, some magic happens.
So attendance, right?
Not attendance. You just have to be at the core, and then you press a dot.
Sorry.
When you press
I
a
didn't-
dot, you'll see something like this.
No, sorry.
Tell me if
Can,
you're seeing
can
or
you
not.
go? Can you tell that again? How
Yeah,
do
yeah.
I do?
So let me go back again. So you need to be at the root of the project.
Okay, so that's the
Yeah, let me give the link to that one.
okay.
Click that link and you'll come here.
Right.
And when you're here, all you need to do is press a dot.
Which
Full
dot?
stop. Full
Sorry,
stop
which dot?
on your keyboard.
On the keyboard. Okay.
So then something magic. Are you seeing some magic happening on your screen like that?
It's getting setting up your web editor.
Yes, good. That needs to happen. Is it so now, yeah. So have you? Can you see the same thing as I'm saying?
Not yet. This I see now.
You
This
see,
one.
right?
Yeah, but on the left side, what you have, I do not have.
You don't have this one.
It's coming up one by one.
Yeah, it will come. It may take time because I've done it a few times. Probably it comes faster. That's all. So Akshata, can you see the same thing as well?
No, sir.
Have you clicked this link on the chat?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
So
after that, did you press the dot in your on your keyboard?
No, sir. I can't do.
You know which dot we're talking about, right? There is a full stop. How do you type full stop? You just have to press dot and it will come here. Has it done it?
Yeah. It's saying setting up your web editor.
Yes, it'll take some time and it'll do it. Maybe your PC is very slow, so it'll take some time, or your internet connection is slow. One of them.
yeah, in mine now it
Yeah.
says error loading web view error could not register service worker.
Okay. Are you on Chrome and everything? Fine. So could not do it. Refresh and try it again. Sorry. Refresh and try it again if it gives errors.
PawarV,
Mm-hmm.
it directly jumps to the VS Code, right?
Which one? When
Java.
you say that dot, is
Ja-
it? When you say that dot.
Yeah.
Yes.
Java core Java 2210.
You should see something similar, like what I'm saying.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you seeing all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Then, if you don't have folders, so in the members,
I'm when I refresh it, I'm getting the same message again, saying error loading web viewer, error could not register service workers, not supported error, failed to register service worker for scope.
Okay. Have you got any other browser? Is it Chrome that you're using?
Hold on. Yes, I'm using Chrome.
So have you got any other browser?
Mm,
Just to see if it's a browser related issue.
I can try Safari if you want.
Yes, try Safari. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're on Apple, is it? Yeah. Okay. Try on Safari. If it is not, then I need to give me the screenshot and we'll have a look about the issues. So where are we with other people? Akshata, you're okay with that?
Yes, sir. Yes, I can see the attendance and members also.
Oh, very good. So, no, that's not. For those of you who have done this assignment, please go ahead and do the other assignment, number 19. Okay. Attendance. Good. And then Power also has done it, but the date has to be in the same format as I've done. It has to be consistent. Illa, you have not done it, no? You have to put date like, okay. No, Stelina, you also have not done it. You need to do it. It has to be like this. You take example of Sahil. Basically, all of you can copy the same thing because everybody should have the same thing. You can just copy this instead of whatever you're putting. Yeah, this is also good.
So I think I got a screen, not an error.
Yeah.
Saying home core Java structure each member that does the core Java. Is that the one?
Sorry, can you come again? I was thinking something else. Can you repeat?
Yeah. So now I didn't get the error, but what what loaded was a thing called preview readme.md, and it says home core Java common repository.
Yeah, that's all right. So this is what you're seeing, right?
Hold on, no, not that.
Is it?
Hold on, let me see whether I can share screen. Yesterday I had a small issue.
Can you take a screenshot and put it in the Java, Slack, please? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's actually go ahead and do the code spaces itself. Instead, come back and then you will see something called code spaces, the third one. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Are you all seeing code spaces? Yeah, click code spaces. Okay, and then you can say new code space. Are you all here now? So rest of you who have done that exercise, go on to the next one. Okay, there are 2 assignments today. Tell me if you've done that also. Put a message in the chat here that you've done both, so that I can again pay attention to you people. Yeah. Until then, I will be with these people. Vinayaka, you're also following along, right? All those who are not understanding what's going on there, I want you to do what I'm doing now. Okay. That is,
Yes,
as far as I know, it's Amal, Akshata, and Vinayaka only.
Give me a minute. It's not loading yet.
No, you need to code spaces. Have you done this one? Are you here? You do it in Chrome. It's all right. So I said that because you're having issues, we are not trying a different one. Okay.
So then I'm going to go out of the Safari.
No, it's all right to do in Chrome also. All I need you to do is go to that repository and press code spaces, and then it will say create new code space. Let me start again.
Hold on.
Wait.
No,
Amal.
Yeah.
Do one thing. On the chat, click that link, and then you come here, right?
Yes. No, what I was trying to say is now when I click there, it goes to directly to the Chrome one. Now I opened it up in Safari.
Right. Chrome is also fine for us now. This is a different. We're trying a different thing. Chrome is also fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you here on Chrome?
Yeah, I'm there on Chrome.
Okay. Now, can you see code spaces? The third one here.
Yes.
Click that one.
Yeah, clicked it.
Okay. And then can you see new code space top right?
Yeah.
Click that one. Can you see the screen that I'm at?
Yes.
All of you, 3 of you, can you raise your hands? I can't see your hands. Yeah. Okay. So Akshata, you're there as well? Okay. Thanks. Now you select the repository. I have many, but you can type Java.
Select repository and
core Java.
Java.
Then it comes up RUMQ Java core Java 2210. Does that come up?
Wait a minute. Cool.
Sir, it's a RMQ/Java dash core
It's
Java
not RMQ.
22.
Vinayaka, you've been with us for nearly 7 days now. Okay. It is RUMQ. Yeah? I don't want anybody to say RUMQ or misspell the letters. It is RUMQ. Okay.
Yeah. So
because you're spending so many hours here, you can't say the name of the organization incorrectly. Okay. It is RUMQ. Yeah.
So do we click that now?
Yes. If you have found that, select it.
Okay.
Or 3 of you done it?
Yeah, I'm done.
Vinayaka, you've done?
Yes, sir. Yes. Right.
I need to know from your face. I can't see whether you're doing. Raise a hand because your face is. I can't make out. Yeah. You're also done, Akshita, right? Okay. Now branch. You can have main, or you can have some other branch. Okay. Let us work on main with you people for today. And then region has to be closest to you. For me, Europe West is the closest. You can pick Southeast Asia.
You can pick Southeast Asia.
All the three of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the three of you. Yeah.
There is feedback. And the number of codes, different people will see differently. So I will choose 4 core. If you choose a bigger one, it takes more time. So I'll choose 4 core. If you don't see 4, 2 core is also fine with us. Are we all here now?
So pick the 4 core, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 core is fine with us.
But see, when I pick the 4 core, it says none, and it when I can't pick
We
it
just
anymore.
need one of these. Whichever one you can pick, you can pick. You might have only one option.
Okay. No, I had
You
2
got-
options. When I picked
Yeah.
the 4 core 8GM,
It's not giving you.
it went into a like a default thing where I can't click anymore.
Okay. Probably then take the 2 core then. 2 core is also fine for us.
Now it doesn't allow me to select. So shall I reload? Yeah. Okay, I reloaded. So now it's okay.
It's all right. Okay. Now say create code space. It'll take some time and it will generate a machine for us in the cloud. Okay, where we can work. And there you will have all the stuff that you need to be able to work. Okay, and today's class is being recorded, as you all know. All the 3 of you, I want you to try this several times today. For example, tomorrow or the other day, I will not tell you a single thing. Okay, you have to come to this point on your own. There is feedback. Please don't play around with your mics. Yeah? You can talk to me with your heads and hands for some time. So you'll be here. It will look different for you because of the settings that you have. This is my current setting. If black is not visible to you, tell me, I'll change it to light color. Are you able to see what is there clearly? Or should I change the, I can change it to the color. I can say, says, I've taken GitHub Lite, so it looks like GitHub now. Yeah. You see, it is a very similar thing to what we saw earlier. Okay. There.
So I get an error.
God, you have some strange browser setup. Okay. So Akshata, and with you,
Okay,
Amal, I need
now
to set up. Amal,
yeah,
with
now
you,
the
I need
error.
to probably have a separate session then, yeah, because
Yeah.
For now, just follow along what we are doing. This section is
Okay.
recorded. If you can get hold of a different
Now the error
laptop or
went
something.
out. Now the error went out and came, but not your screen.
It's all right. So with you, I think we need to stop with you because this will be recorded anyways. Try to get hold of a different laptop or different setting because you shouldn't be having errors at this stage because you are just
Okay.
using a normal browser. Yeah. If you can do it with another laptop or anything later on, try it. I will just go with Akshata and Vinayaka for now. You both are here, Akshata and Vinayaka?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can you type Java minus version?
Where do you type it?
In terminal. But if you're saying you've not got this, no. So here you type this will show you a code editor. Okay, there you have different options below. You need to pick terminal, and when you're in the terminal, you can say Java minus version. But Amal, you said you're not seeing the screen, right?
Yeah, I didn't see the first screen, and now see I have the screen that you have, but on the right side there is an error message, but I can type.
That is good. So go to terminal and type Java minus version.
right?
Right.
Do we
Can you
enter?
see this? Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
It says command not found, sir.
I got to where you are.
PawarV, it is not visible. Blur, blur.
I'm sorry, I'm unmuted. Copy and paste what you're finding, like that, three of you or anybody who's following along in the chat. So I know exactly what you're seeing. And we'll take a 2-minute break.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
All right, 2 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, we are back. So I can
Before
see.
you,
Wow, very good, very nice. You're getting the version correctly. Akshata, have you found out your error? Right, very nice. So you found out
Yes,
what
sir.
mistake you made. Very good. So we are all at the right place now. Very nice.
Yeah. I just wanted to ask one thing. In this chat, there is no way to attach anything, right?
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
If you want to attach anything, you have to use the Slack. Here you
Okay.
can only put the thing. Yeah. So
Okay.
here, let us go into attendance. Then say right click.
Okay. Right click.
New file. There is again feedback. One of you need to get the headphone or not switch on the mic. Vinayaka, please. I think it's you. Mute your mic. You're here. Can I say new file now? So if I say new file, that's what I see. Yeah. Then you can type the name, your name. So I'll type my name. You type your name. Vikram.pawar.attendance.text. Yeah. I can't create because I already created with that name. So you guys can do it and then press enter. So have you created the file?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you have created the file, three of you,
So
then you
it's
can go to
attendance dot text or
.text,
oh my
txt.
god. Okay,
Yeah.
so I
Make
think
sure
I
to
get
put the
it.
dots at the right place and everything. Okay.
Yeah. So is there a way to edit it? Because
Yeah. When
while
you click on that, you'll see like that.
sorry,
Once you
when I
created
click
the file, if you click on that, it will open up.
no. So while creating it to talk to you, when I went and clicked this, it automatically created it. Let me see. Ah, yeah,
Yes.
it's
Yeah.
done, right? Yeah.
So
Okay.
just copy. You can open any of these ones and then copy that and put it into your file. Yeah. Mine has extra, but yeah, your file should like this. Should look like this, basically. Yeah. Make sure it's all lowercase. The date format has to be right. There shouldn't be anything extra. Yeah. See, I'm finding out the mistakes and make changes. Huh? Adas is perfect. Others is perfect. Okay. Others is not perfect. It has to be lowercase m. Attended wrong. It has to be exactly like this. Morning present. Just copy this bit from mine. Don't type it. Okay. Just copy the first line from mine and paste it to yours. Yeah. The reason I'm that exact is because I will we'll all write a program to read this one day. Yeah. If you have any mistakes, then we have to write extra coding for that. We don't want that. So that's why it has to be exact. I'm only expecting three things there: one date in that format, then space, then morning, then space present. Yeah. Copy
Can you
exactly like it is.
can you see mine?
I don't have to see. Not yet. Not yet. Have you done it?
Yeah.
I just need all the three of you done it, right? After you have
Yes,
done it, yeah, you go to this third one called source control. Okay, remember the name. This is called source control. Okay, next time when I say source control, I will not tell you go to the left and click here. I will just say go to source control. Okay, these are the two things you'll always go. This first one is explorer. If you click there, it will open up this thing. If you click on the source control, it will open up this thing. So can you see this? If you go to source
yes, sir.
control, you have to see something like that. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
When you see when you see something like that, all you need to do is say sync changes first.
So for
When you
me,
say
I'm
sync
not getting
changes,
the sync changes.
you're not getting it. But are you going? Have you gone to the source control? Go to source
Yes, when I
control.
go to the source, so when I go to source control, it says
Yeah,
commit and then changes, and then it
that's all
has
right.
Amal
It's all right.
Fanan.
All right.
Yeah.
So, so when you go to source control, what do you
Yeah.
see something like this now?
Commit, and below that changes, and there is a line saying Amal Fernando attendance, and undo and a do.
So this is what you see basically with your name,
Yes,
right?
yes, yeah.
That's all right. That is all right. So put a message here saying assignment and then hash. What is this assignment number 19, right? Or 18?
18.
18. Okay, hash number 18. Yeah. You put that and say commit. Then after you say commit,
There are then it comes up saying there are no stage changes to commit. Would you like to stage all your
yes,
changes?
say yes. And say never ask me again as well if it gives you the option.
No, it didn't give. It straight away came sync 9
Yeah.
down,
Say,
1 up.
yeah. Say stage, yes, stage changes, yes.
from http git show command output open git log.
Okay, do open git log. Yeah, do that, and there you will find two commands. Okay, so you'll find something like this, right? So
Nope. So upstairs,
okay,
I didn't get anything.
it's okay.
Uh,
Can you see the chat? I've sent you a couple of commands. So copy that command. In the username, I've got my email. Put your email there. In the username, I've got my name. Put your name there. Yeah. Rahul,
at
you wanted
which
to ask
point?
something? I put a message in the chat.
Yeah, I
Yes.
got
The
it.
chat and the current meeting chat. So
Yeah,
there are two commands in there. Okay. So
I
pick the
copy
first
that and
command.
sorry. Now when I go to this the
Copy the first line. See what I'm doing.
right.
I'm pasting it. You have to say probably allow, and then you can paste like that. Can you paste like that?
Yeah. So no. Can I ask you one thing before I do this?
Yes.
The
Amal.
Yeah.
You don't have to ask me questions. Try doing what I'm saying. If you fail,
Okay.
then we'll go back. Yeah. Because
Okay, so
we don't have to
change it.
confirm every step.
Yeah, change it to my name, right?
Yes. And if it fails, then we'll go back. Yeah. Don't have to confirm because you're not going to break anything. This is a machine that has been created just now. Nothing will happen to it.
Right. So I change Pawar to Amal. That's all, right?
That's all. Yeah. And it has to be your email address, basically. Whatever email address
Okay.
you want.
PawarV, in the
Yes.
source control, I typed that message like assignment has 18. After that, I committed. Then it showing changes, sync changes 9 down and 1 up. Like
Yes.
that.
Earlier I was talking to Amal, right? Were you listening what I told him? You are at a stage behind Amal. So after you committed, what did you see?
Sync changes, sir.
Do it. Say sync, nothing will happen.
Okay, this action
Vinayaka,
will
you were
pull
there the other day when we did code spaces class.
no, sir.
It was recorded. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, now after today, do this exercise 10 times. Okay. I don't want it because you already done it 2 or 3 times. Yeah. 10 times. Tomorrow morning, you have a separate session with me. Show me the entire thing. Okay. Go through the today's video and show me everything. I'll not tell you a single thing. Okay. Because you have definitely, I'm pretty sure you should have known this by now. Okay. So once you've done the email, you can put whatever email and then press enter. Yeah. I am not doing it because I don't want to change. Maybe I can do it because I am only doing the same thing. Right? So I put it like that, enter. Yeah. And then the next thing is the next command where I'm saying my name is Vikram Pawar, PawarV, whatever. So you put your own name there. Yeah. Once you do that, then it will allow you to do the sync changes. And Vinayaka, for all the newcomers, once you've done this, you will sit with them one-on-one and do the exact thing with them. Okay, 2 or 3 newcomers are going to come. It will be your duty. Yeah.
Yes.
Mine.
I'll be here, Amal.
Mine went into a different thing. So it came to commit. When I press commit, it's still working on it. And then on the right side top window, it said commit editing message 1, and there is a box empty. And then it 2 says please enter commit message for your changes.
You share your screen, Amal.
Yeah.
Because the other day you were not able to share your screen, so that's why I didn't ask you. But normally I ask other people to share the screen and let them do it.
Okay. Having the same issue.
You probably need to get another backup laptop, because sometimes the settings are not good and it will take a lot of time to set up your laptop. So if you have another laptop, wives or somebody's, keep that ready. That makes it easier to just try out something else on some other computer. Okay, those of you who've done the first assignment, have you started doing the second one? Class. So Lydiana has done it. Nice. Sorry. Okay, let me go and check what you guys have done.
PawarV, I have done it, but I'm not able to push it in. Like
If you're not able to push it,
I don't know how to
okay.
add the PNG file.
Yeah. If you're not able to push it, see all the videos. We have got recordings from 16th, okay, 16th, 17th, and 18th, morning and evening, 6 hours. See all the videos, okay. You will definitely find how to do push, how to do commit, all those here. All the 6 videos. Watch that. Okay.
No, I
In the
just don't know
evening,
how to add PNG
evening,
file.
I will not tell you how to do it. In the evening, watch those 6 videos. In the evening, you will do it and come and show me how you are doing it. Okay. Because again, you are somebody who already has experience. Okay. You're not a fresher. So you should have known these things by now. You attended some classes, you missed some. That is the reason I'm doing this attendance thing. If you attend one, miss one, attend one, you will not be able to follow things. Yeah. You have to attend all the classes, or if you miss, watch the recordings. Now your assignment is to watch all the 6 recordings first, yeah, and figure out, start from scratch if you want. Do it on code basis. Vinayaka, why is your thing again? Don't you take out your mic, please. So, yeah. So if you are having issues with your PC, don't work on your PC. Just go to code spaces, okay? Because I don't want to solve these problems anymore. Yeah, I've already done it several times. 6 hours of video is there, all are recorded. Please go through that, okay, especially old timers. So yeah, so let me see what these people have done. 81 changes. Wow, very nice. Amal, you're still sharing. Oh, that's the problem. I think when he shared, I think he's lost. Probably he'll find it difficult to come. We don't have much time. 10 minutes. Akshata, do you wanna share your screen, please?
Yes, sir.
Amal, you're not able to share, right? I can't hear you.
I just got logged out, then I got I joined again.
Okay, we
And
don't have
then
much.
my
Okay, Amal,
Yeah.
I request you right now, please let us stop because only 10 minutes left.
Okay, okay.
I want you to watch the recording and follow along.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever issues you get, try to resolve them, and then come in the evening. Yeah.
Okay.
Right now, let's see what Akshata is doing.
Yes.
Okay, so
Got a line.
because then we'll complete it properly. Then you'll have nice recording to see and try out in the evening. Okay. So have you done open git log and say open git log?
Open GitLab. Okay, sir.
Was there any issues? Okay, go to terminal now.
Yes, sir.
So you've done the Akshata M. Okay. Say enter.
What's up?
Why is it? Say, press enter. First of all, can you click hide so it will remove that annoying message from there? Hide. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And say control plus so the size will go up so I can actually see your screen.
Yes, sir.
Control plus. Yeah. And one more time. Okay, good. So now your command hasn't completed for some reason. Control C. Yeah. So the command hasn't completed properly. So
Okay.
press up arrow. Okay. Say minus backspace backspace again. Enough. Now press enter. No, wait. So Akshata is there, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
has to be within double quotes. Okay. So there has to be a
Okay.
double quote before A.
Yes.
Still not correct. Space after username. There has to be space after username. Yeah, now it's perfect. Enter. Okay, so now if you say sync, it will allow you to sync.
Yes.
Yeah, that one. Say, okay, open git log.
Yes, sir.
And what is it we're complaining about? Sure. Go to the top of that. It's basically showing you some text. I just want to see that. Validating found in git. Go down. Okay, so leave that. Go to terminal again. Say git status. Git space status. Enter. Okay, so you have to say git pull
Git go.
pull as in pull. Enter. Okay, say need to be specific how to reconcile that. Okay, say okay, so now say git can you pick let us say pick the third one for now.
What's up? Git.
Okay, can you see? I'll type what I'm seeing. Git space config pull .ff only. Yeah. So just copy that thing and paste that.
Yes.
That is what you were seeing there. Of course, it's there's so much you can't see. Your eyes are still getting used to it, so you can't see it. But yeah,
Yes, sir.
enter.
Only shall I remove that? Or
Yeah, only is fine.
only.
Enter. Yeah. Now say git pull. You'll get the exact same thing again. Maybe you shouldn't get git pull. So see what it says. So it has done the. It is saying it is not possible to fast forward. That means that there is a sort of a merge conflict. Okay. So say git merge, git space merge. Enter. Okay. So now say commit on left side. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And also, sorry. Oh, we did a mistake. We should have closed this editor. Can you see this merge underscore message? Close that editor. Not okay. It's okay. Close this one, the one that you're seeing right now. Wait,
This one's
be careful what you that's the one I want you to close. Yeah. Close it.
yes.
Okay, now say Control J.
Oh, Wait to, sir. There.
Press Control J.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's come back again. So now say, could not read from, say git status once. Enter. Good. So now say git space push. Enter. Okay. Basically, you have made changes on the machine and then put it onto GitHub. Okay. So now if you go to the, I will say, and you should know what it is. Explorer.
What, sir?
Explorer. No, I'm saying go to the Explorer. You're in source code view now.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
asking you to go to Explorer. Earlier I said, right, there are 3 tabs you have to remember.
Yes,
Go to
sir.
Explorer. Explorer is the first one. Yeah. So remember the name, okay? I'll keep saying because it becomes easier for me to tell where to go. Explore.
Yes.
Now see, your name is there, everything is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Now go to the repository again. Say you open a new tab in your Chrome browser and go to the repository again in your Chrome browser. Control T. Yeah,
Yes,
that's
sir.
one. Good. Yeah. And now they go to the repository. Our repository, which is
Repository means in my GitHub, sir.
I've given the link below
Okay.
in the chat. Click that one. Okay, so now see the changes that you made. We're basically going to the repository, seeing it from the GitHub. So we're coming to the end of the class. So all of you, please finish the assignments.
Can you just check? I did it on Safari and I think it worked.
It's okay. I'll check later, Amal. We're coming to the end of the class. So Amal, Akshata, Vinayaka, and anybody struggling, watch all the recordings. We have only 6 hours of recording. You have to watch all the 6 before you come to next. Today's Friday, right? So I'm not sure if you'll come for the evening class or not. By Monday, all the newcomers should see all the videos, yeah, and make notes on it in somewhere. And when you come on Monday, I'll tell you where the note should go. Yes, make some notes, written notes. Yeah, all the 6: Vinayaka, Akshata, and Amal. That is the homework for you. Watch all the videos, make notes. Yeah, of the stuff that you understand. Something won't make sense, but the things that I'm only talking about the Java, not the Spring Boot. Watch only the Java ones. Yeah. So actually, 3 of you, you don't have to come to the Spring Boot classes yet. You do Java for at least a month. That is probably the right time to come for the Spring Boot. Okay. So that's all I think for today. We'll have to go to the other meeting from here, I think. Let me just check when is the other meeting. It should be. Yeah, it should start now. Okay, thanks you all for coming. Please make sure that you watch the recordings so that I don't have to repeat the same thing again.
Thank you.
Start.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye all.
Thank you.